Hey, my name is Michaela, and I am one of the co-authors of the Recovering from Mental Illness blog. So today I want to talk about breathing. And I know that sounds really simple, and it is simple, but there's a difference between, just breathing and breathing with intention. So I think everyone has heard, just breathe when someone is having, heightened emotions, an anxiety attack or something, whether that's like in a show or movie or actually in real life. And I know I've heard it a lot. And when I used to hear it, I used to just roll my eyes, just breathe, yeah, of course, what else am I going to be doing? But I wasn't really thinking about the fact that it can be an intentional tool, and it can be an awesome intentional tool for your mental health. So I have incorporated breath work a lot the last couple years. And it's, there's no right or wrong way to do breath work. But for me personally, I do one called box breathing that I learned in therapy. And it's called box breathing because it's like 4, 4, 4, 4. And what I mean by that is you inhale for 4, you hold for 4, you exhale for 4, and then you hold for another 4. And with that, I can usually do a couple rounds and I will notice a huge difference even in a couple rounds, especially because I track my heart rate a lot, and I can tell my heart rate just jumps quite a bit down and just makes me feel a lot more calm, a lot more focused, a lot more recentered, and I can then approach the problem with a clearer mind. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do breath work, but I hope other people find what works for them.